In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony A6700 to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your Sony camera to any iPad model or even a smartphone is extremely simple, so follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get this connection established wirelessly. So first, make sure that you download the Sony Creators app. Open the App Store and download Sony Creators app from it. Once you have this app downloaded on your iPad, you will be able to properly set up your Sony camera regardless of the model. So inside of the app, you will see the option to connect to your camera, setup and remote camera control. Now, in here you will have a list of various different camera models, including the A6700. So scroll down until you find it on the list and then choose it. Once you tap on this particular camera, it is going to be put on standby for the connection. So now on the camera itself, go over to the network category. So this one with the little globe icon. Go to connect or control PC remote and then choose smartphone connection. So under connection/PC remote, you will find smartphone connection. This is what's needed to connect to an iPad. In here, a QR code will be generated that needs to be scanned by your smartphone or your iPad, but usually just being on this window should allow the app to connect to your camera just from being in standby. So once you are on this window, go back inside of the app, and if you selected the 6700 from the list, it should automatically appear here again once you are on standby on both the app and the camera. So they should connect between themselves automatically. But if this doesn't work, then use your camera and scan the QR code manually. By doing this, you will see this message, select an accessory, and you can choose the 6700 camera. Now it is going to remain connected. You will see the battery levels, you will see how much storage is being used, you will be able to do remote shooting, importing, change the settings, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.